Hey everyone, my name is De'Lon Dixon and I'm the founder of Think Technologies. Today I'm here to give a quick product demo of the Tech Connect bot. This is a project that Think Technologies partnered with Black Tech Saturdays on to make it easier for members of the group to communicate, connect, and collaborate on projects. So without further ado, let me share my screen. So first thing I want to show you is just like how to get there from the website. So you go to blacktechsaturdays.com, I'll give it a quick refresh. And then you go to membership. So before you can have your information within the chatbot, you have to join Black Saturdays to fill out your profile details and to get all that data added to the chatbot. And so that's how we train the chatbot on that data to answer questions about that data. So we can know like, oh, maybe if someone's a good photographer or if they can help you build an app and things of that nature, it'll just help you better understand who you can reach out to. So I'm gonna go to Tech Connect bot. Over here on the left, it has some instructions on how you can use it. It has a link to the member details form. So this is that form I was just referring to that you can fill out to get your information added to the chat bot. And it just has some quick examples of how to use it. Right now, currently can't ask for funding opportunities or job opportunities, but we plan to add that in the future. So please look out for that update and we'll let you know as soon as it's released. So first thing, we have a few automatic prompts that you can add in here at the button. But for example, display the next Black Tech Saturday event schedule. Just click that, and then it generates the upcoming events with their location as well. And so if you want to like register for the event, you can just click right here, and then it'll take you to Black Tech Saturday's Eventbrite where you can register for the event. So that's super handy and it's tied to like the specific event that you click. So another thing that you can do is like search for someone to help you out. So say for example, you're looking for someone that can teach you about AI. So and then generate some results. So we have it right now to where it generates 3 results based on the query. And so if you want more, you can just ask for more. So options, and then it'll generate a list of more options of people that can teach you about AI. So I'm going to go with De'Lon. He knows a little bit about AI, so we'll ask him to learn more about it. So one thing I can do is ask for the contact information. So right now we don't have it in a way to where you can just get that contact information from here because we wanted to prevent people from having their information pass out to spammers, stuff like that. So we have added a capability into the chatbot to where you can ask for someone's information, and then once you provide your information, then the contact information that you need will be sent to you. I'll just show you an example. So, and here's information. Yep. So I'm happy to do that before continue. They need my email address and then they need me to say the name again. So then test at gmail.com and then separated by a comma and then say Dixon, enter that. And now what it'll do is now that it has my information, it'll send me De'Lon's information once it goes to the backend verification process to make sure it's like a legitimate email address and we can make sure it's not a spam or anything. And so you should receive it within 24 hours, the contact information for the user you're looking for. If it's urgent, you can always reach out to like Saturdays or myself immediately, and then we can get it to you sooner. But also to add is like this is just a quick way for you to get it and contact information from different members of the group, and then you can also uh, just have your own information uploaded in here as well too. So it just makes it easier for everybody to collaborate. And yeah, thank you. I just wanted to show everyone this how it works. And if you have any questions, feedback, or recommendations, please let me know and reach out. Thank you.